going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on replacing lug nuts on my dad's two 4Runners. We have a 2013 Trail and a 2006 SR5. And what we're doing here is we're replacing the standard acorn style lug nuts here with the Stealth Custom Series lug nuts. As you can see, the Stealth Custom Series are extra threaded lug nuts. What this does is, in the holes, this bites more threads. If you're familiar with Toyotas, you know they don't hold a lot of threads. Their lugs or their studs are pretty short. So not only are these better for centering the wheel, these fuels are actually hub centered, but on his 06 they're not. It's actually helps center the wheel too, so it's got two perks. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade these. You can see the difference here, and what's cool about these, what I really like, is so this is the lug key for the regular lug nuts. As you can see, it doesn't fit the SCS lug nuts. So this is a common bolt pattern, so they're more likely to get stolen because, you know, Chevys, Toyotas, 6x5.5 lug pattern. They all basically use these lugs or that bolt pattern. So again, added more security too, because not everybody's gonna have these. Are like generic, you know, lugs. The keys are pretty generic, so anyone that has these lugs will have a key that fits. The key between this and the 06 are actually the same key, so anyone can steal your wheels. Where with the SCS lug nuts, they actually have to have SCS key. I mean, you could probably pound a socket on there and get it off, but harder than, you know, stealing them. So I'm gonna get this replaced. I've already replaced one of them up here, and we'll replace them all and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I just want to show you. So non-hub centric, you can see there's a gap all the way around this hub. Even more important to have ET style lug nuts. So I'm gonna get these replaced, and I'll be back. I just want to show how many turns this gets. I mean, I didn't count it, but let me torque it down. I mean, you get the idea. Now let me remove one of these regular ones, just to show you how many threads it doesn't catch. I'll try to one-hand this here, so I apologize. Let me break it loose, I'll be right back. Loose. So I just want to show you how little threads these have. Off. Big difference in thread engagement. I mean, it's more than double. I'll just thread this one back on so you can watch. Game changer, guys. If you have Toyota, if you have a 6-lug Toyota with aftermarket wheels, get the ET lug nuts. I mean, more threads on the stud is never a bad thing, as long as your wheels are deep enough to take the ET lug nuts. So definitely get the ET lug nuts. Alright guys, so I've got all the lugs replaced on this one wheel. I'm going to finish up the other wheels, but you kind of get the gist of what's going on. Long story short, I really believe in the ET style lug nuts because it adds more security, more threads on the wheel, studs, than the regular acorn style. So I have these same ET lug nuts on my Tundra, and I've had no issues with them with my Method wheels, and they are not hub-centric. So again, these are the Stealth Custom Series lug nuts, ET style lug nuts. Highly recommend them. They're high quality. Their wheels are high quality too. So hope this helps some of you people looking for what lug nuts to use on your Toyota. If you like the video, be sure to like it, give me a subscribe, and let me know below what you think, if it was helpful or not. Appreciate it. Have a good evening.